Do you know where your money is going every month? Most people don't. In this video, we'll show you how to track your spending and uncover exactly where your money is going. This will give you a baseline point to write in your budget. Point 1. Tracking spending is eye-opening. Most people underestimate how much they spend on things like subscriptions, takeaways, and impulse buys. Point 2. Here's what to do. Go through the last 3 months of bank statements or use apps like MoneyHub to categorize your spending. Make sure to include your outgoings, such as charitable giving, tithes, offering, gifts, donations, and the like, as a recorded expense. As mentioned in our Calculate Your Total Income video, we like MoneyHub because we can split the same expense categories across different accounts. For example, you might have 2 debit cards and 1 credit card. During the course of the month, you run out of money in your debit accounts and need to use your credit card, or you simply forget 1 card at home, but you're out right now and need to complete the food shopping. MoneyHub's connection to your accounts will show expenses for food in both your NatWest and Halifax accounts, for example. However, once you've approved the expenses of food category, it will show in your overall expense for the month as that. This means that when you come to setting your budget for food expenditure in a month, you can track your food spending in one place, even if you spend from different accounts. This, to us, makes more sense than using a single personal bank account platform to track. And of course, you could always go old school and just write everything down manually. Once you've done this, split your expenses into 3 broad groups: essentials, like rent and groceries, debt repayments and savings, and non-essentials, like entertainment or dining out. Point 3. This will show you patterns that you might not have noticed, like spending £100 a month on coffee or unused subscriptions. Since you've made it this far into the video, our Thrive Allies point is: tracking isn't about judgment, it's about knowledge. Once you know your habits, you can start making smarter choices. So, drop a comment below and let us know, what was your biggest surprise when you tracked your spending? And don't forget to subscribe. Step 3 is all about tackling debt, and you won't want to miss it. See you soon.